Today we're going to try something kind of different. This is my precious solder board, and what I have on there is size 1206 package surface mount resistors. And you can see in my hand they're fairly small. And what I've done is I tacked them on with some solder paste. I'll borrow this from work to try this idea out. Saw a video called laser soldering, so I wanted to see if the c02, the 40-watt China cheap laser engraver, could actually heat up and reflow solder paste. So I'm going to try it out. First time ever seeing this. I got the power set to 40. Got the speed set to 30. I don't want to sit there and cook the board. Let's see what happens. And yes, my fume extractor is on, so it's blowing it out. This is lead solder. I've been soldering for 15, 16 years with leaded solder, so I'm not really concerned about getting cancer from this. So save the comments. See what happens. Ooh, not quite exactly what I was expecting. Okay. Well, that was interesting. Well, we learned something today, didn't we? We learned that this c02 laser engraver cannot melt solder adequately to stick parts to the board. However, you can burn the fiberglass just fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope we learned something today. I'll see you next time.